So hello guys, flash.fnx. Today we're going to discuss a new token on the Binance Smart Chain. But quick disclaimer, I have been away for a couple of days because my Telegram group was hacked. But right now I got it back. Everything is going to be back to normal. Also a big shout out to the coldest water for sending me something like this. If you guys want to check and get yourself one, all the links will be down into the description. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Getting into their website over here, stranger, are you lost? Do you know where you have wandered into? So we can scroll a bit down. Chernobyl, yeah, Soviets, all that stuff. Chernobyl, you know, rug free. So tokenomics are designed to reward each holder with 2% of each transaction, increase the liquidity pool by 2%, and decrease token supply by 1% on every transaction. Okay, scrolling a bit down on your roadmap, website, the seed sale, 26th of April, yeah, website design, marketing, promotion, let the other comrades know, pre-sale, Pancake listing, airdrop. Oh, also they're going to do an airdrop. I'll get into that later. Marketing, streaming service promotion, TikTok marketing, application, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Coin account, and burn, radioactive, burn, and airdrops. Okay, NFT marketplace as well, giveaways, huge partnerships, and a lot of work. Okay, so taking a look at the BSC scan, they are currently sitting at 879 addresses. As well as you can buy CHERNO, so Chernobyl on Pancake using version 2. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 6%, guys. Put BNB for swapping to CHERNO. Click on swap, confirm the swap. MetaMask will give you a notification. Just click on confirm. If you guys cannot find the token in your wallet, as I'm using MetaMask, all you guys have to do is, okay, so let me just do this real quick. All you guys have to do is get the contract address. So go onto the website, scroll down, how to add this token in my wallet, copy this address, go to MetaMask, scroll down, add token, custom token, and just paste the contract address over here, and everything will fill up itself. Just click on next, add tokens, and there you go, you have CHERNO. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 5,000 members, as I highly suggest you guys as well going and getting yourself some tokens, because we're going to have an coordinated promo marketing in about 2 or 3 hours, as well as following the Twitter account. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget the notifications, and check Chernobyl. All the links will be down in the description.